Hello guys and welcome to today's video. This video will be about how to make money using Printify. Printify is an online platform that allows anyone to start print on demand business with minimal upfront costs. With Printify, you can create and sell your own custom designed products such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs and more without ever having to handle inventory or shipping. To start making money with Printify, you first need to create an account on Printify.com and connect it to your e-commerce platform of choice, such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. So I already have an account, I think. Yes, I already have an account. So no, wait, I have to log to my account. Now, after creating the account, you can complete your setup checklist, design your first product, add your personal details, add the store name, connect to your store, and start selling. So as I said, once you have done that, you can begin creating your own custom designs using Printify, easy to use design tool, or by uploading your own designed your own design. Just upload it and put it on t-shirts or mugs and sell it. After you created your design, you can select the products you want to sell, choose the color and size you want to offer, and set your own price. Printify will then handle the printing, packaging, and shipping of your products whenever a customer places an order. The key to make money with Printify is to create unique and appealing design that will attract customers. You will also need to set competitive price and markets your product effectively through social media, email marketing, and other channels. While there are no guarantees of success, Printify can be a great way to start a low-risk, low-cost business that can generate income over time. With some efforts and creativity, you can turn your passion for design into a profitable venture on Printify. So let's navigate the website. You can see your orders, you can make print pre-orders products, you can create a new store. Here we have the email. You can upgrade to Printify Premium, 10 store per account, unlimited product design, up to 20% discount on all products, order management, and others. You can see the discounts and other. So you can save up to $2 or $8 on buying things with the premium plan. So how to create your first product? You design your product, Printify product catalog. Here you can see the background where you can put your design. You can choose, and here you can add new store or manage stores. You have the dashboard, design a product. So here we have the best selling products to get inspiring and some insights. You can choose like this picture, and you can start designing on it. Need some design inspiration, you can see graphics. You can start new design, costume design on others. Here we have the graphics. You can put on this future Wi-Fi. We have Merry Christmas. And here we have my templates. they are empty because I didn't create anything. So we can here use new design. You can upload it from Drive, Fever, Dropbox, and you can upload from the device. Let's see. Let's see if they can use this. Medium resolutions. Wait, let's go back and upload another one because this is medium resolution and category and quality. And here I think we have the original one, also medium resolution, but never mind. Here we have the size, the wide, the height, and we can switch center. We can add more design. So let's solve this. If the oh sorry, if the rook goes here, the black rook takes, and it's nothing. The king will take the black rook, but if the bishop goes there, then the rook goes there, the black rook goes there, and take the white rook, the bishop takes the black rook, the horse take the white bishop, and nothing again. Because the black will be advancing with a horse and 3 pawns. So let's forget this. And you can save the product. And then you can start putting prices on it. Custom your table view, column view, shipping products, shipping costs, profits, and others. Here we have the total price or the retail price $40, profit $16, profit margin 40%, product cost, shipping cost, and the shipping options. You can save it as a draft or publish it. I think that's it. You can adjust the retail place. Let's just put no, not this. $20. The profit will be very low, and if the profit was $4, the retail price should be $28 with a profit margin of 14%. Product cost will be then $24, shipping cost and others. All in stock and in stock. Now you need to connect the store. Connect my new store. I already have sales channel, don't have any. Launch pop-up store. We can launch on Etsy, Shopify, and others. Walmart. So you can connect to Etsy or Shopify. I'm choosing now Etsy. I think I already have an account on Etsy, so it will be easy. Nope, I don't think I have an account. Waiting for the Google. I will be logging into my account and be right back. And now you connected an Etsy store. Check out this article on how to start selling. So on my Etsy store, here I have one product, and that's how to sell your products. And this video was how to make money with Printify. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.